Itachi Uchiha. He's clearly very different than all the others. He resisted the reanimation jutsu. But Itachi can even hit targets in his blind spots with the shuriken jutsu. Even Nagato couldn't dodge them.
The Akatsuki is a mysterious organization, comprised of a dozen or so shinobi. Every one of its members is listed in the bingo book as ruthless S-rank criminals. Of those who have been identified, one is Itachi Uchiha of the village hidden in the leaves, a man who annihilated his own clan in a single night.
This is the true bond between the brothers of Uchiha!
Why is it that the Uchiha clan is known by all and feared by all?